name is Celine, your Baseus product demonstrator, and I'm here to mention that we have an amazing product on the GoBaseus website. It is the 10-watt desktop wireless charger with 3 USB outputs. So this works with any QI-enabled phone, so that goes for the iPhone 8 and above, also Samsung S6 and above. That also goes for the Google Pixel 3 and the 3 XL. ThinQ has this feature as well. Best practice is to go check out your phone features online to make sure your phone has the wireless charging feature. So let's get down to it and show you how it works. So this comes with a cord, and you're just gonna have to plug it in the back. To know that it's on, it'll just light up instantly. So I'm gonna demonstrate that for you guys one more time. Just lights up. So after you plug that in, next you're just gonna put your phone on top and let the magic happen. The cool thing about this wireless charging device is that it has a silicone panel on the top. So that way when you put your phone on the top, it prevents it from slipping off. There'll be a time where you just wanna play on your phone and charge at the same time, so it wouldn't be a struggle for it to slip off. And as you guys can see here, there's 3 outlets in the back, so it can charge 4 devices simultaneously. So you just put your phone on the top while it charges 3 other phones at the same time. This device supports 5 watts, 7 watts, and 10 watts, which is very fast wireless charging, so that's pretty useful. And there you have it. That's all you need to know about the desktop wireless charger. Thanks for watching.